With the S&P 500 falling more than 6% since the start of the year, it's now a good time for us to invest in it. In this video, I'll share with you my personal opinion on whether or not it is a good time for us to invest in the S&P 500 given what's going on today. Quick disclaimer, none of what I'm sharing in this video is financial advice. If you want to receive personal financial advice, reach out to me directly. So please do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. With that out of the way, let's get started. Personal stance. Now, based on the environment today, my stance towards the S&P 500 is neutral. I wouldn't consider investing in it on a lump sum basis at the moment, as at a price level of around 4.4k to 4.5k, the expected return on the S&P 500 over the next 5 to 10 years is not that attractive. Based on the fundamental analysis and an assumption of 6% yearly growth rate in the earnings per share, we can expect to receive a return of negative 3.9% to 6.4% over a 5 years investment horizon and 0.93% to 6.22% over a 10-year investment horizon. Now, looking at the current investment climate, I doubt that the S&P can sustain its current price-earnings multiple, and in the long run, it is highly likely that we will be trading within a fairly valued price-to-earnings multiple. That said, realistically speaking, investing in the S&P 500 today will only provide you with a return of 1.8% a year over the next 5 years and 3.88% a year over the next 10 years. And based on a technical analysis on the weekly chart, the readings also suggest that there is a higher probability of further price decline as opposed to a price increase. Additional considerations to be had. Now, apart from the fundamental and technical analysis, here are also some factors that you may want to take into account in helping you shape your investment decisions. In terms of the economic strength and performances, the US economy is certainly still going strong, and analysts expect continued economic growth in the US that is relatively stronger than other parts of the world. Now, this will help ensure that businesses within the US will continue to perform as consumption and production remains strong. Now, on the topic of investors' perception, having the perception of being the safe haven of the world had also bolstered the attractiveness of investing in the S&P 500, as many investors are investing in the US markets amid a flight to safety response. This will help increase the demand for US stocks, which will help push prices further up. Lastly, while the economic outlook of the US remains strong for now, investors should not discount the impact that a hawkish Fed and the quantitative tightening may have on the economy itself. Given that the inflation is currently running wild, we can expect interest rates to increase, which will inevitably slow down the economy as the cost of borrowing increases, which will lead to a decrease in business profitability. Furthermore, based on history, the Federal Reserve is known for its tendency to tighten until something breaks, which is also why analysts are foreseeing a rising recession probability amid the current efforts to maintain price stability in the middle of a war. Summary. Now, all things considered, I wouldn't invest in the S&P today based on its current prices, given that the expected return over the next 5 or 10 years is not justifiable for the level of risk that we are seeing today. That said, there are still ways for us to work around the current climate and structure an investment portfolio that can deliver the returns that you need to accelerate your wealth accumulation goals. Now, if you do not know how to get started with your investments, or if you do not have the time to manage your investments, you can check out what I do on my website to see how you can benefit from my investment planning services and reach out to me directly. Subscribe to this channel or follow me on Instagram or Telegram to receive a 1-minute daily market update and also to be updated with the weekly upload. Stay safe, and I hope to hear from you soon.